Alright, so I'm back working on the car again today. It's been a hiatus between the last video and this one because basically, is this on autofocus? No. All of this had to be taken apart to get those bolts out that I messed up. So I just went ahead and knocked that out because that was a massive pain in the butt, and it's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I even started this whole process. So I hope I remember how to put everything back together. But yeah.
Hope you do too. I mean, it'd be terrible you took it apart and don't know how to put it back together.
Yeah, so the goal for today is to get as much of this car put back together with the new parts as possible. I want to try to get it as close to running as I can. So
bump it, we're boosting it tonight. Absolutely, all-nighter.
Definitely not doing that today. Because I have, okay, so the pressure plate is on, just need to put on the disc and the, not the pressure plate. Flywheel is on. I just need to put on the pressure plate and the clutch disc. So that needs to happen. Transmission needs to go back on with the new parts I got for that. So as far as transmission goes, I have new clutch pivot, new clutch fork from Verus, throwout bearing from ACT, which I'm not going to use. I got a OEM Toyota throwout bearing, which according to the internet, these are a lot better than the ACT one, so I'm going to use that one instead. So that's got to go on the transmission, and the rest of the clutch needs to go on. So that's what I'm working on. I'm going to try to get most of that done today.
Absolutely. We can do it. We got it.
Yeah, this thing is donezo. Yeah, that needs to be replaced. Gotta save the clips though. Clean them up a little bit. And put that, oh yeah, that thing's crusty too.
That thing's clapped.
We'll still get some grease and stuff, but just want to get all that dust and that clutch, whatever that clutch debris stuff is called. I forgot all the spots that Verus says, or wherever you're supposed to put the grease at. I know that's one. I don't know. I have to look at their website, figure out where grease goes. I know it goes right here. So it goes inside. Okay. Is that how it went before? I forgot.
I think so. But I think the did the bearing sit on it? There's no tire grip?
Nope.
Oh man.
Might look in the video.
What did I say?
I forgot just that fast.
If you don't know how to do it, kids, YouTube it.
This thing has been a much bigger pain than I ever thought possible. Possibly because of my stupidity, but also could have been the previous owner. Don't really know, but I don't really care.
Well, as long as it's getting fixed now.
Alright, where's that torque wrench at? Oh, it's down by my foot. Can you grab that? Thank you. Yep. I think these pressure plate bolts are 26 foot-pounds. Yeah, the bolts are pulling it down on the dowels. You can't just put them on there by hand, I imagine. Oh, stop the camera. My arms are tired.
Be a photographer.
Alright, clutch is all finished up. It's on there. Everything's tightened down. What the heck? People always driving out here honking like they're crazy. But yeah, clutch tool slid in and out easy. So it should be good to go, barring if I forgot something or not. Hopefully I didn't. But I'm trying to debate, because I did buy an IRP short shifter, if I should go grab that now, because I think there's a piece that has to be taken off of the transmission. So I'm thinking maybe it might be easier to take it off now before we put the transmission back. I don't know. I'm gonna slide from up under here and try to determine my next move, because it's tight. It's real. Not that much space at all. It's like this much. You can't see my hands. Alright, so we just took a little short trip down the street to another house, because long story. I had my RLP shifter there. I went to go grab that, so just in case we make it that far, I can go ahead and throw that bad boy in too, because I'm really excited for that. Although it was expensive, I think it'll be worth the money.
It will be. It will be absolutely worth it. It will be absolutely worth it.
I'll probably do like an all comprehensive review, or maybe just a review on each individual part that I'm installing, like the shifter, clutch, transmission bushing, stuff like that, everything that's going in. I'll probably do like reviews and stuff on that once everything's back together and the car's drivable and I can kind of feel what it's doing. Probably do a review on this stuff later on, but just got to get it back together first. Alright vlog, I'm back. As you can see, I'm dirty because we got stuff done. The transmission is back in the car. It was a bleepity bleep bleep and a half, but shout out Marquise for helping me. We're not quite done yet. Starter still has to go back in. Bunch of wires need to be connected and grounds need to be put back, but for the most part we're like almost there. Clutch is in, all the other bell housing bolts are bolted back. I'm gonna have to rig up something for the top bolt on the starter, but at least in theory it should work and be totally fine. Yeah, I owe this man dinner, a big one.
I'm gonna get mine.
I can't wait to show you guys the car this man is getting too, by the way. It's gonna be sick. If this video goes up before he even gets his car, because it probably won't, to be honest, but if it does, he's got something really crazy coming. So it's gonna be like,
check me out, Phantom Peach.
It'll be on his channel. It'll probably be a little bit on my channel too. Especially when we go pick it up, we'll probably both make like a vlog or whatever.
Absolutely.
And yeah, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be. I'll just give you this little nugget. It's gonna be like JDM heaven around here. Just wait and see.